Want to know how to update core themes and plugins in WordPress? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how update works and how it is done in WordPress in under a minute. It's super simple and easy, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, what you need to make sure is that update might come in according to the WordPress's patch notes and its upcoming plugin updates. So if there are any updates, there should be update on the left side soon. Sometimes it could be also under stats, and it should look something like this. So as you can see, there is currently none in mind. So if there are no updates soon, then it means that your update isn't currently here. So if you have been seeing updates like this right here, just simply select that icon, and once that is done, you can just simply upgrade it. See the plugins that has new updates, the themes that has new updates, and update accordingly. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.